Say goodbye to grime and hello to shine. Ready to experience the magic of our house cleaning services? Hi there, I'm Heather, one of the cleaning concierges at Executive Maids. We're here to make your home sparkle. But before we arrive, it's important that you tidy up a bit and wash your dishes, and we'll take it from there. Our expert cleaning professionals will tidy up bureaus, fluff your pillows, fold blankets, and straighten the counters in your baths and kitchen. However, if any surface is covered by more than 40% clutter, we won't be able to clean those areas. So for the ultimate cleaning experience, we recommend organizing or boxing up the clutter beforehand. Get ready for a clean that'll make your home feel brand new. Book now and let the cleaning spree begin. Give us a call to discuss your home, your cleaning needs, and any questions or concerns you have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we're here to help you.